Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a crying effect, a trend on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First, open your Snapchat, and in here you can click on the this one at the top. Click on it, and in here you can search crying, this one. Click on it, and in here you can like this and record. This is the trend, the crying effect trend on Snapchat, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.